Story time.
Story time, people.
So this is my boy TBB, the boy Kid Elijah. So this is what happened. It was just one day. Took a walk down to Westbury.
You see.
Take a walk down to Westbury. I sent for TBB, Star Q.
And Mr. B.
In Mr. B, you feel me? I sent him to go buy flavor barabutas, you see. Mind you, they go. Every time I forget to take my pipes bottle out of a bag, you see.
We have a pipe. I have a pipe bedtime.
Every time me and my brother must call you first time. We go buy for us syrup. If you know what I know, you know. So we go buy the syrup, buy a mux you first time. We go buy a mux. We get the things, we come back, you see. I'm blooming in a yard that time.
They're waiting for us that time.
So, we're waiting in a yard that time, you feel me?
That time, the dog is chasing us that time. Evil putty. When we're knocking me, Mr. B and Osta Q. You're a pipe bottle break, you see. Yara son is boa for the ones again.
Yo, fine, they run in a yard, you see. I just hear push when I take a corner. The time I don't know what is going on, you see. I'm in a mood. It's my syrup time, it's my pipe time, and now it's Friday. That time I want a blom sack, you feel me? Mind you, that same day, is Aussie supposed to come to the Owens. You see, the Owens break a bottle that time. Then I'm Bavani such time, you feel me? Then I want a lot of Owens, I want to move them all, you see. That time, Mr. B, he said, don't stress, I'm gonna buy the bottle back, you see. Fine, the time everything is smooth again, you feel me? Time Owens, it's party time, it's party time. How we going on?
Syruping.
The Owens is syruping. The other Owens is laying over back. The other Owens is blooming. So, yes, still in a car such time, you must know it's a dangerous area to lake, you feel me? So, come you, 6:30 o'clock, you see, come around 6:30 o'clock at time at night, you see. We sitting in my yard, music is clapping, what. Mind you, we see 3 or 4, I can't remember the number, you see how much girls there were, but there were some sexy things, you see that. There were 5, you see. Me, TBB, Mr. Q, Mr. Carl, and Mr. B. We all pass off in a yard, plus you must know that time Owens is looking snazzy, we drop to club, you know. As if fight on us, you can't come you feel me. I'm sitting in my yard. Now you know that when you can feel someone is watching you, né? I turn my cup, I look, I see, it's stallion busy standing here. Now by my father's yard, there's no gate, you feel me? So you can must just lure, you see, you lure and remove what go on in my yard you first time. That time I say, hello girls, what's going on, you see? I tell me, nah, we saw you blooming nice, what, you see? And I say, okay, nah, I feel you, do you feel me? And she said, oh yeah. And she said, oh yeah, that time, everything is cool, you see. Dragging myself in, fine. Mind you, that child, she said, we can jol. Fine, jolling. We don't even jol 2 days, I tell you. She break up that time with me. She said to say, what she said that time?
You're making a dome.
She said, make a dome. I don't show attention and what. How can I show someone attention? That show you something that you wanted on the first day you meet her. That don't work. But mind you that. So, Mr. Carl that time, he is blooming. He said, nah, he's gonna find it one can, the China state.
You see? China thing.
But last time she went to say, nah, she have a boyfriend. That's where the whole numbers make. You feel me? The time he said, okay, nah, just take a picture with me, you see. I can say, fine, we can take pictures, you see. Mr. Carl is happy that time you wanna hold her, when you wanna hold her, she say, move away.
She say, man.
She say, man, I have a boyfriend, you see. The time he say, it's just for a picture, what. Then Mr. Carl get angry, you see. When Mr. Carl get angry, it's not right. So, Mr. Carl get angry, you see. Then he say for me, hey, Papa,
Das is where it start.
Gold digger
vibes and what. She don't wanna hug me, but she want me to buy for her chips. This is where the gold digger vibes start.
But let me tell you now, like for part 2,
guys.